Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Office 0365, the whiteboard feature in it, to draw models. Right, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is go to your Office 365 tab, and on your Office 365 tab you're going to look for the whiteboard tile, and mine is right here in this first. You may have to do the all apps to find it, but mine is right here. So click on the whiteboard and then create a new whiteboard. Okay, so this is just a drawing application. You do not have to use this. You can use Paint, or you can use another application that you may have access to off the internet. The big thing is that you need to be able to share it with me. All right, so you either need to be able to do a screen capture or a snip, or you need to be able to share it with me, like this one has a share, and so it will copy the URL for this site and you'll be able to upload that on Canvas. So let me show you quickly how you can do this with any of the modeling activities that I would do. Okay, first off, you have only 4 different color pens, so this is limited. All right, so you'd be able to take and you can draw a line or a square. Right, now that can actually be moved, all right, by clicking on this. This is allows it to move around the whiteboard. All right, so I can put a text box in. I can move that text box by clicking on this, and that will allow me to move that text box to where I want, and then I can type in it. I can move the whole whiteboard if I need more room. Oops. I can move the whole whiteboard if I need more room. I can put in a caption box or a note box, which acts like a caption box. Again, I can move this too by doing that. Then I can type in here. So those are the basic features on this whiteboard, and you can play around with it. You can erase if you need to. And to get rid of the notes, you just click on this and then you get the garbage can and get rid of it. You can do the same thing for the notes also. So that's the basics on using this whiteboard. Again, you will probably be doing stick figures if you do this, because it doesn't allow much else, and it doesn't allow you cutting and pasting anything, but you can do stick figures and get your point across. Okay, then if you need to share this with me, which you will, you just go up to the share box, you click on link, and it will create a copy link. And you copy it, and you would go back to your website and you click on the submit button, and there will be a choice where it says submit or website URL. Click on that and you can go ahead and paste your URL right in there and submit, and then I'll be able to see your picture. So those are the basics on using Office 365 Whiteboard for doing any of your modeling activities, and it's the basic way to do it.